people. This is Rondie, Jamaica Good Life. Right now we're going to Mandeville from Montego Bay. No, I don't know this road at all, but it seems like it's gonna be quite a journey into the mountains to get to Mandeville. I see the sign for Appleton Estate, so that means that we'll go through Balaclava. Okay. See it there? Yeah. This is gonna be something interesting. It's gonna be an interesting time. Wow. Yes, my people. Rondie is going through the mountains. Yes. Montego Bay was good, you know. I'm gonna go back to Mandeville, but I don't know if touch down at 2 hours them side. I will get some rest, you know. Unpleasant experience in certain circumstances, and we have to just keep on moving. The mission is the mission, and you have to keep steady. It's been a long journey from Africa to Jamaica. We've been traveling a long time, inspired many, you know, changed many lives, and still going through. Big up to my daughter. I love you, Anais. Everything good? Yeah, man. Get some rest soon. Yeah, big up to my daughter, family. Jala, Jay, and Zele. Everybody. Brother named Tenny. Been journeying such a long time. You know. Yeah, man, everything nice. So this is the path they're taking me through Mandeville. So see the road, the hills and mountains and lot of turns. I don't think no highway. Are you going my way? Yes. Early in the morning, so the sun didn't come out yet in Jamaica. So drive with me as I dilly-dally through the majesty of this beautiful country. Nice and easy. Estimated time of arrival 2 hours 15 minutes. Wish I had my iPad on deck so I could show you where I'm located. In Jamaica, when you want to drive early, you must get gas before, cause gas station not open too early more time. You know, gas station not open too early. You see me? You're a good boy there. See me there. See the ugly boy there. But I have to change 2 tires. Big up Mr. Brown from UK. King Ming, you know it already. I don't know it already. A lot to teach. Them start calling me the teacher because them understand so we're upon the mission and give a life for the thing. Good devotee, no say nothing. It's not gonna be easy to do good in this time. I know say 2021 are coming up. So we really not talk about people no more because them sister them couldn't take me down. So we're going to leave that in 2020. But what we're going to do in 2021, Gaza, the lion is coming home. I grew the beard now. The good army is expanding. Lots of intelligence. Living in Jamaica in the good life. All I really want now is a good wife. See, no big up yourself. Village, Shazza. Big up on yourself, people. Many come along. We lose some along the way. You know, Bob Marley did say, we lose some along the way. Because it's a season, you know. And sometimes people come in your life, you know, reasoning, no. Over there, so South Black River, them say, journeying. I have a whole heap of box for me and things. I'm not really going to do the stop. We just have to do road. And this is what it looks like in the morning when I pass through that place, yeah. You know, I have to just do road more time. Can't bother with the stop thing because I have too much thing for me. Appleton Estate coming. Watch it, you say. You know, energy is kinda, you know, sleep last night and up all night a pack and thing from up on the road. But one thing with Jamaica, you know, give thanks for life and give thanks for everyone who've been a part of this journey. 2021, it's a whole new crew. You move to one sector, one crew. You move to another sector, another crew. You see me, certain things, personality, me not do. Marcus Garvey dream must come true. We are the wind that Marcus Garvey talked about. So we're here to protect Jamaica. Big up to the man called Uncle Floyd. You see the Benz they not drive too good. Have to watch yourself, you know. So life is nice and easy, man. I want and we do it in the country, Jamaica. Good life. So now I go say, I go drive and hold it firm. And I go say the whole daylight come out and see how the drive. Nice and easy. I have the good camera now. Big up to mommy and thing. So we're gonna make some stops along the way. We'll go Mandeville, we'll go visit some old people. You know? Gaza, so keep the positive. Watch yourself. See that? Then we have to watch how you're driving at them places and the brakes are for good. I think we need some brake shoe. The sardine mash up. I walk on around this one. Sardine on the whole of myself, you know. The pudding pan drop out of the seat. No, I'm going to cuss no bad word. The pudding pan drop out of the seat. Pudding pan, hold your corner. You're not going around there. Hey, pudding pan, tap it. I want it. You're not going around there, my man, drive and you make noise in a pudding pan. And me and you today, you know, better shut up around there, so. Sardine, don't say nothing. Every time I bring on nowhere, I can't hold on no space. It's a disgrace. And he's a bad driver, you know, the man, them not tell me, so them coming out, mount. You know, I know people are going to see this spot and say, Rondie, you just drive past my house. Me not give a damn about your damn house. See them there? And I have to watch out for them, man. Them driver, yeah, you not drive for yourself at Jamaica, you know. Show you something, not drive for yourself, you know. That's some wicked kind of driving that go on, you know. Them people like say they don't know, them don't know about road, or them never see road before. Line yourself up. Google Maps step on it. And me on Google Maps as far now, you know. Bye. You know, a long time I don't go on Stone Love dance. A long time I don't go on Stone Love dance, you know. You know, a long time I don't take it easy and just go on like a session, you know. Gaza set up the thing, you know. Hey! See another bullet they're gone. Bye! Run road, run there, you know. Yeah, man. Jamaica, we're there now. We're done. You know, so the man is an actor. And this new 2021 is a new chapter. Yeah. Yo, Treasure Beach. Hey, see that? Hey. Man is an actor, you know. When you see me perform on the show, it's a performance, you know. So more time when we hear different voices and say, how do you talk about like same lot? Where the boy them come from? Yeah, man, just a vibe, you know. Just King Ming, that's nothing. A life, you know. I will just live the good life and happy, even if I just sardine and pudding pan on the top nice back of the rat. This is me alone aspire. Me and banana and cassava I run things this year. Every time you bring people around you, them have personality, like me here. Sure. Give me some avocado, what them call it, pear. Now for the girls, them things, them expensive and there. What the beat them, I'm supposed to have to make some music while me I drive. Dragon, don't say nothing. Yeah, the real thing. Nothing not real like yo. Well, watch all the dreams them come true. Yeah, man. No truck, but I'm gonna do something about it right now. Watch yourself, see it there? I have to watch it now. Beautiful scenery coming in right now from Jamaica Good Life. And we're about to turn the camera around right now. Boom, there you go. A shout out to beautiful scenery in the morning. Driving through the mountains of Jamaica, going on to Mandeville from Montego Bay. One hand steering, Rondie at the wheel. Take it easy, touch the brakes. New York City driver. If you could do driving in New York City, you could drive anywhere. This is yours truly, man called Rondie for Jamaica Good Life. Keeping it nice and easy. I wish I had this radio. Need for fixing up because right now, see that? It's not a joke thing in a Jamaica or something. I don't want to think say it's legal for one on the thing. You see me and do filming. Don't do it. Don't try this at home. See there? When you know if you do it, see right there, so? When you don't do that, you see that? We could have do it now, but we not do it. You see all that corner there? Don't do it. I'm watching myself. I'm watching myself, you know. But Jamaica is a serious place when it comes to driving, so pay attention to the road. You see me? Pay attention to the road. You see me? Yeah, I shall say now. I turn left up at the far. Boom, indicator on, make them know. Boom, Appleton Estate. Just follow the sign from Montego Bay. Boom. Yeah, man. 36 kilometers and Rondie's on the road. Boom, 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 boom. Take them out, Rondie. Take out the pothole there. That's good. Watch yourself, boy. You can't say it pothole and I want to come running at me. What I'm to you? Sure. Do road, Rondie. You know, so I need some music. Job Patriot, Angela, no say nothing. I love no like cook food, love can done. A new tune more make this year, love can done. You know, Jamaica make we have some fun. Put on the knife on the gun. We love can done. Jatori, love can done. Dog, watch yourself. Rooster upon it. A dog and rooster fight. 7-day Adventists shine them light. Love can done. A Jamaica for put down the gun. Love can't done, brother. Love can't done. This is for the foreigners. Them when Jamaica for a long time. I shot do road with Rondie. At the morning straight to out the battery last on the camera. I don't know, 2 hours, maybe. Maybe we have enough chip on it, maybe. Watch this, love can't done, brother. Put on the knife and put on the gun. We're going to the 2021. Give thanks to the Almighty for the sun. Love can't done. Put on the knife and put on the gun. See? I don't say nothing. Yeah, man. Cut down on the mountain. You know, so the other day I make some veggie chunk soup with some gungo peas. Wild and easy, nice and lovely. Veggie chunk soup with gungo peas. I said, boy, I tell you. I said the thing wicked. And you know, some more introduce you to my bomber rundown. And some wicked food my having out the bomber rundown. Nice. Well, go on there, so. That's what I'm going. Tell me something in a real bush now. Tell me something put me in a bush. Back road me I take to Balaclava. Appleton Estate. I'll go Mandeville. Through back road, now with the blouse and skirt about 2 or 3 PS. I also bring man. And nothing still on the door road, on the right, drive anywhere, any kind of load. So I said, the road, watch yourself, man. Shocks, need some new shocks up on that big tree there. Watch yourself, road. No, say I do it, come to the road. Watch yourself. Boom. Something wrong with the part, yeah. It look like it's a shortcut, yeah. But the road rough. I have to take our time. Because we don't know the road code. No weapons formed against me shall prosper. But you know, since the 2020 still and some of the backbiters them, I used to call them your friend. You have to watch out for people, you know, them have them own problem and them want for always. You have so a lot of bandwagonists step on the thing when like fear them name call. When them watch YouTube channel, them want to be present. Like say them are somebody and they don't do no hard work. Them spend like $100 and them donate and them want to hear them name. So they must not do this thing for fame. When I want to hear a name call and push up like so not nobody on a dirty vampire and parasites. Keep it positive, Rondie, stop it. Sometimes I have to cuss them out. They know me I talk about bun them. Now cuss them out do it. Hey, sometimes when I go through that journey, I know. But remember, I say enough people I meet, you know. And let me tell you something, I learned so much about humanity. It's ridiculous how much me learn about people. Blouse and skirt. I remember saying me as a youth, you know, I never really hang around people much, you know. I just stay in my computer world and just educate the whole African nation and liberate the people. And with the 600 video I upload to the internet. And the book them I bring Africa run wild right now. And them want to come interview me because them see the work what we do. But change the life of black people. Pan-Africanism, we say Pan-Africanism are perish when I'm playing a game with it. So basically, what I show you say is that after we do all them work and thing and like the legends, you know, we just try following the footsteps of the great icons of Jamaica. So we just do the work for the country and to God be the glory. So what you find now is that when you do big things and people say, enough things I learn about people, you know, enough things. And the years me I run from people and just try to do my thing. And when I see the energy then come, I just move, and I keep moving, you see? I have to keep entertaining myself while I'm driving, so I have to keep talking for the whole 2 hours straight. Now stop. So, hear me I say now. The journey has been a great one. Big up to the soapy man, Montego Bay. And big up to Mr. Foster. I go places, I meet good people. And big up a man called Top Dog in the kitchen. You know, it's a journey for meet people and for enjoy yourself. I St. Mary, I really want to reach, you know, but hang out with my people and St. Mary and St. Anne's. But I have to run back to Mandeville right now because I need some rest and drop off some things, you know. I have to do that. But as you can see, Jamaica is coming up nicely in the morning here. This is the nature of the place. People are cutting up them things for New Year's. Christmas is just completed. Look on the bus I drive on the side, man. Man, when them coaster them are for good. You know what I say? So the environment is nice. See the dirty boy there, camera, see him there. How much years you do it, dirty boy around there? Long time, you know. Why you do it? You know, I love my grandmother still, and I love country. I love roast yam, I love dirt, and I love gig, and I love Jamaica culture. I love, you know, tangerine and walking barefoot in Portland to Charlestown Primary when I deal with tambourine and, you know, I say, I love the gizzard, and I love the niceness of the ladies. I just love Jamaica so much. I love it. I dedicate my whole life to it. When I say I dedicate my life to it, man. So for me, if you do 31 years at Babylon and then come home and can drive and flex with all different level of knowledge and people, you see me, I say, I just flex with the ghetto youth and we flex with affluent intellectuals because we do the corporate. We grew up in Brooklyn for 31 years. I'm gonna move from Brooklyn, so you know I said Brooknam with there. So sometimes them see me and them don't know because I speak nicely from the corporate attire. You see what I say, but if you check it, I can set the thing on fire. You see what I'm going on? So you have to be careful not because the corner they're vicious. So you have to be patient in Jamaica. One thing I learn more than anything else. In Jamaica you have to know when to assert yourself, change your voice. Because when you come from foreign, most of the time you're nice. Hey, excuse me, do you mind if I have a pack of ginger? You can't talk like that in Jamaica. You see me? You have to talk up the thing, and sometimes you have to use your bass, and when them at the gas station, I tell you if I come over there, so yo, I can't bother with them talking all morning. You have to give back what them I give you. So if them I give you rough talking, you have to give them back rough talking, and so you can't sleep out in Jamaica, you know, really. You can't kitty the thing all the time. More time you have to line up the thing. And no matter who it is. So brother, I'm not depend that right now, you know. So when you come back to Jamaica and you return, you have to learn how to flex it and learn how to move. And then your voice do it, and you have to learn them buzz road. You have to learn them buzz words when you come back. Because if you don't know if you use the words that them I use, them are going to realize say you're a foreigner. And then now, when them realize that now, them start pre you different, like say, you know, you equal to them better than you, cause as a foreigner it's a class system, you know. When you come back to Jamaica, it's a class system. You know, them see you as just money, and them see themselves as smarter than you. So them for them goal now is to outsmart you in everything you do. So them I play chess all the time. And yeah man, my heart good enough. Yo, you see, any man will tell you too much about God, or tell you too much about how good them heart is, and damn you for watch out for, you know. Any man will tell you too much about God and how God fear them is, and yo, I damn you for watch out for. Come learn even with some family, them love you. Yeah, you know, say, you know, kitty, me nah lick no cat. You see me? So, what me I show you say is that this is get to know Rondie. So enough people, yeah, my heart good enough. I tell my heart good. You have to watch out for them. A man will call you and say, yo man, some money and da. So when you think you can't call me back, me tell the spirit, But when you think you can call me back, me check with the spirit. But when you me check with the no, cause no bad word spirit. I want the bad word. Me not tell you say me check with the spirit. If me not call you, the spirit said no. Yeah. So now more time in Jamaica, people just wait for you move up money. Enough people me like even when call when me get a thing. Them call me constantly. You good? Yeah. You see at least one of those call me 2-3 times and if me have a thing, me give a thing. Cause there's some farmers some people are Portland, you know. I always take care of my Portland people, you know. You see me? Cause my people them that big up yourself, mackerel, a long time. I not big you up every time, you know it's there already. You know what I say? So it's like, I know it's tough for the farmers them more time all over. You see me? And I always take care of them. I'ma find somebody to take care of them. Cause it's tough for them, man. The more friends them have, the better. You know? So now people might say, Randy, how come you not have a woman? I say, I hope a woman. Let me tell you something. You see when me travel, I travel with a lot of equipment. Right? My laptop and all my equipment them. But don't mix up much because I don't like too much people in my business. And when you're there Jamaica, you have to watch how you move and who you mix with and who know your thing. You see me? So part of safety is for watch the whole heap of new people them you know. You have to watch how you move in Jamaica, cause me move alone more time in some places where me don't know, but me have to use my spiritual energy to overcome and go through. You know? So right now the dirty boy on the road back to Mandeville from Montego Bay through the shortcut. I think them are going up in a Balaclava. So it's good for you to take the inner country to see how Jamaica beautiful and peaceful and quiet. 5 o'clock we wake up, we push out about 5:30. You see? So let me give you guys a little history about me. I was born in 1973 in a place called Manchester, Norway. Up where you see the farmers them live. King Baba, Denny, that is my home. We use outside toilet, the red clay. With my grandmother have Yaman thing. So Norway, Manchester, 1973 is where I was born. When I was a little baby, them say I fall in the tank. And the blood clot did there in my head. And it never really did go doctor. So I grew up tough. And then from there, we leave to St. Mary, feed the dog them. And become a farmer with white yam and thing. And fork and hoe and machete and chicken and lay egg and nice farm life with my Uncle Dennis. Big up Uncle Dennis at Scottsall Maroon Town. Scottsall Maroon Town, you know. So from there, so we did see the Maroon them a dance. So that kind of spirituality was entrenched in me with the Scottsall Maroon Town. Is one of my favorite places in Jamaica. And that place is where I call really my home because that is the place I developed my spirituality. Scottsall Maroon Town. And from there we moved to Portland because my mother was a teacher at the cottage. See the nice view. From there we went to Portland and that's Charlestown Maroon Town. Another Maroon Town again. Yeah, and we go rivers there and things like that. So that is Portland and that's another place I grew up. So right over Portland there we used to go to Charlestown Primary and from Charlestown Maroon Town. So that's a very special place to me. There's some bus up my head and thing and nearly juke up me eye and climb a tree and had to go into the back of the truck with my brother and broke my hand and all them things there. So mother beat me and said don't climb the tree boy. But me have soccer fever when we climb the tree and jump down and then the tree. The barbed wire fence when I drop cut me upon my hand while I broke my hand in 3 places. I had to run to the hospital with the soccer player them. life was not friendly. Man broke up themselves and picked the bus my head very early. As a child, blood everywhere from Clarendon to Maypen to St. Mary. So I'm not afraid of nothing. Fear is not a part of me. Because blood was my rear view mirror. When my head had blood warm 98 degrees. And I just hot blood around down my forehead. That's what I remember more than anything else. Bust up my head about 9 times. You see me? So life was kind of like a bus up travel from house to house to house because mommy couldn't take care away. So we had to be given to different family. So check it now. So after Charlestown Primary, and we got to Buff Bay Primary too. So Portland was a big part of me. Upper Kildare Secondary. My mother used to live. I used to walk about 3 miles, 6 miles a day to school to Charlestown, barefoot sometimes. And the man at the minibus say, yo. But my mother couldn't afford it, you know. Mother couldn't afford the money, you know. The man said, yo, I must sight the raindrops. I'll never forget that. I said, blouse and skirt. How me I go sight the raindrops? And because that man, they why me so strong and firm and focused and so strong when me can live. SaveJamaica.com and then Jamaica Good Life by myself because I how them trained me in Jamaica to be a samurai. We used to sleep on the graveyard at St. Mary. So the man grew up to be a real general of the land. We never really chuck no badness and trouble no one. We don't talk about, we don't depend on that. We don't depend on no gun thing, we don't depend on no knife thing. I just mash it and if something happen wrong, you know, so the man head get chopped off already in St. Catherine. So back to Buff Bay Primary, khaki suit, we never educated so we couldn't pass no common entrance. But I hardly read, cause I pick them give me for feed. The dumpling me have to need to feed hog and goat and climb breadfruit tree in St. Mary. Portland was very good cause my mother have her garden. She have plant up some sweet pepper. And we used to love go to the river and chuck off and chuck off and chuck off. You see me? Life in Jamaica was good because we just walk and skid on the concrete where I talk about gravel underneath our feet. Boom! You see what I say? One more time we never have much to eat, but mommy used to plant our garden and you know so life sweet. She makes all 3 orange on the table and give me the littlest one and I take it and throw it across the orange tree. Get my heart bust properly. That is the story of Rondie. So now right now in Portland right now when you see me, I now have my slingshot and aim directly. The youth them always look up to me. I was a kind of like what them say Robin Hood. Me take quick things from the rich and give it to the poor. And the Almighty always show me that way there. So the youth them used to gather around me and what mango you want? And me used to stone mango constantly with my brother Thurston where we call him Tenny. So now we stone mango, you know brother. And then me develop a focus like the Montego Woods in the jungle in the woods of Jamaica. Portland where me learn how to focus. Make me slingshot out of different thing. You see me? Make me slingshot out of certain things. And then now a bird a fly, me clip that wings. So now hear me I say. You them turn around. We used to have some brethren up at Portland, Kildare, play domino. One time I pick up a cigarette butt and start smoke it. Well, you know, I try pass my mother inside and she said, what that? You come over here. Boom! She catch me, smoke cigarette, bring me to the church and make them pray for me. That is when me find the Almighty. When I stand up in front of 300 people in one church, I pray for me. Alright, that's a no. I became a saint. A man of the cloth. Cause them 300 women they get up and pray for me. And that was it. And that's when God come for me. Me couldn't do nothing wrong after that. You crazy? You want God give me a slap? You see me? So when my mother bring me after me smoke that cigarette butt there and make all them women they pray for me in the church, me couldn't do no wrong. From then I became super strong. So now, remember if me rewind into the history now, after now we will go Litchfield for Angelina take care of me. Cause with the sore up as a baby. You know it's set already. Family did need help and everything. But Angelina was special to me like a mother. As a baby, she take care of me and cross the 10 and crown me the chosen one that will go on a journey to protect Jamaicans and Jamaica. So I was chosen by Angelina and refed the herbs and spiritual gift and love and light. And as she empowered me to protect the ancestry, roots and culture of this country. So now, jumping now straight to back to Portland. That was a marking on my hand right there. So for Portland, I broke my hand. You see me? And I broke my hand at Portland and jump in a river and learn how to swim and catch crayfish, janga and go. Yeah. Me say when we used to go river Portland, this is the sweetest thing, but remember say the water shallow and you go jump in the water and jump on your head and bust your head. Remember say you couldn't swim, you're naked with the little tail at the river. But you know, that was so interesting to me. The sweet peppers in the garden from my mommy and listening to her teaching at the college of Portland. One flat with the living on a cottage in Upper Kildare. You see me, I say we had friends and things and it was nice and mango was everywhere. The man used to play domino and we used to walk and the principal did have 2 daughters. One named Kay and Debbie, and me and my brother used to go over the house. But we did poor, you know. So we never too mix with the rich people them too much, but the girls them did like we. Them they like for touch. And these are poet, me never know, so I never know. Alright, so now from now, Portland now, we're there. One thing about Portland up at Kildare, the 98 degrees, I always remember it, because sometimes when you have shoes you have to know. So I broke my hand, I have to run to the hospital, and then my mother bring me to the hospital and them set up the cast, and when they cut off the cast, they cut my hand again. I was bad lucky. And nothing did I try to stop me. There was a coconut, when it dropped, right behind me. My brother says, God move me and make the coconut and bust my head. So from me I grew up, me to realize that something was protecting me because I was destined to do something greater than me. So I realized that something did protect me. So I did realize from the little I got through Jamaica, there's nothing supposed to dead already. And why am I not dead yet? Because the man named Rondie said I'm born with death and death after me. From a born, them a try kill me. From a baby when Angelina protect me. I'ma go Portland. I even coconut try to kill me, broke my hand and you name it drop. So I go back to Clarendon. So Portland where I grew up now and the thing like nice. We keep on moving. Mama struggle. You see me? So we learn about struggle real quick. And we know our father never there on. But Uncle Laxton was the man. Our uncle grew away as a father. So we always look up to Uncle Laxton. Big up yourself, Uncle Laxton, real general there, so. So Uncle Laxton take care of we, treat we, and build we as dignitaries. So my brother and me, Thurston, Tenny them call him. My brother was the real man when I look up to when I grow. I just me and my brother, you see me? So then now jump from Portland. Me don't remember too well, my brother remember everything. But remember St. Mary back and forth. I remember so me did 2 dons for pass common entrance. So anyway, Clarendon now, maybe that is a rewind, I don't know if it's out of date. But a place named what the place name of Clarendon? No, Charlestown Primary there. Thompson Town Primary. Now that is Clarendon. And then in a Clarendon now, Maypen, we used to go through that. But Thompson Town Primary in a Clarendon, mother live at another. Thompson Town, I think, secondary at the cottages where she used to teach. You see me? That was another hard life too. Things did rough for mommy as she alone as a teacher and 2 sons. The school did right across the road, you know. And I did some bust my front of my head and a youth named Kevin pushed me down again, more blood. And one time my mother go with salt and thing if them fire to throw salt in them face. So me did a run and thing and no Charles Clarendon when the blood run to there's a big wall at Thompson Town Primary. And I sit down on the wall and I drop off of the wall and bust my head again. One time my brother go roll a big stone down a hill with some construction man, and the big stone go roll right beside the man head, and them take up my brother. I go drop my book one day and the boy them stone my book, and my brother for go down the hill for my book. So my brother was always my defender. My brother. So one time now we read St. Mary. But I'm not done with Clarendon yet. I have an uncle named, I think, Bertram or Hap. And one time some boy did come fight with. And let me tell you something, man. Hap, you know, the youth there, Hap, to come defend me. I think I Hap and Bertram, I don't know. And them whole youth and we beat him up. So going in Jamaica was always stoning. Me know if I fling stone very good. And let me tell you something, when me aim, you better watch your head. Watch yourself, because you might just dead. Because I used to aim far, you know. I fast forward when I go to college, I throw an orange on campus at University of Rochester. And my friend did pass under the tree. And when I aim and fling it, I just see she move from wickedness, I did look. But the Almighty didn't make a good hand for me. I could have beat Tiger Woods in a golf. So fast forward, backwards, sideways now, I could go back to Clarendon, Charlestown, Thompson Town Primary. I tell you something, man. My mother was a great cook. We used to do farming constantly, because we grew up as a farming family. So Thompson Town Primary now, yeah man, with the hoe in the back of the little cottage. And my brother, I make a mistake and chop my brother with the hoe on the back of his foot. Lord God. You see, you know that veiny part there? And there's some I got chop the man. It took a long time to scream out on him, yeah. So now check it now. That is Thompson Town Primary. I want to tell you something. That life was sweet peppers, gungo peas, butterflies and bees, nuff trees. Them say my phone my corner better than this. I go do that. I have to watch the drive now them country. So you have to watch yourself now them drive, yeah. So that was Thompson Town Primary. That was amazing walking down that hill. But me never forget Maypen. Me never forget Clarendon with the red dirt. Never forget it. In Jamaica, your mother always have some friends, and just never forget the vibe. Clarendon, you know, next a place will keep me alive. You see, if me did have drinks and things at the back of the van, I would have stopped and give them money or something for drink. Come like them neighborhood there, you know. Get some interview and thing. But I have too much things with me, and I don't have no drinks for the man them. All I vibe with them. So back to the story. How the Almighty mold me. So now Thompson Town Primary moved from that. At some point, later part in our life, we go back to St. Mary, Scottsdale, Maroon Town, I think. My uncle was a principal and a preacher. So we learned about the teacher and the Bible. We used to go, me grew up in the church, the physical church. Me used to clean it and sleep on the graveyards. Round in Maroon Town, you see me, and feed the goat them. And they used to call my name Mount of May, Rondie, Kevin. And the goat them used to be my friend with the pig and the chicken them and the 12 dog them I used to run with. So you see, as a countryman, we don't have fear because animal, tree and way, you see me? Up top for everybody, family. I love this drive right now. So now, never had no cow, never had no donkey, but I had a pig named Betty. And my family used to climb the tree in St. Mary and make hog plum with maca on the maca tree. But the nicest plum, them I want them were nice and them just nice and yellow. cocoa leaf and thing, white yam, St. Vincent and all them things there, and cocoa. You see me? Appleton Estate is coming up. So they just love Jamaica. So now that St. Mary, Clarendon, a little bit, and Portland, you get it there, so. Now at some point, when they end up at Spanish Town, live with the father was a police. And I there's some brother broke off him teeth. We just fling the ball and we there in the kind of inside veranda. And we fling the ball and I try side it and then licking teeth on the grill. I have a brother named Junior and a sister named Stacy, and that's when we start get to know about them. But rewind all the way back when we was a little baby, we used to live in Kingston. I remember exactly the place we used to live. And that's when I get my biggest bus head on the back of the head. Another lick them give me trauma to my head. You see me? So Rondie still couldn't dead. So now a big bus head in the back of my head, a little girl that fling and bust my head because we'd have to stay with another family. So that's Kingston. Spanish Town, we grew up there so a little bit when we young, and Kingston too. So jump from there, so in Kingston now, Spanish Town, St. Mary, Clarendon, Portland, we cover that. Now let's jump to St. Catherine. Charlemont High School, now me about 10 or 11. Lindsay all age, Miss Green, my teacher, that's when I figured out I have a brain. Still was done, so I couldn't do nothing. Finally passed with until common entrance at age 14. We ship out and come to Brooklyn. Yes, man, never talk much when I little, you know. I talk about 14 years and not really talking, because life was no skylarking. Life did rough. I moved from place to place without proper schooling. Our family, our no mother or father, they with we. So when I talk about phone story, think about no love in my family, but animals, them will love me and the Almighty. So that's why I'm strong and more time I feel so powerful. Because the Almighty grew me and I was always beside me. You see me? Nice school over there, so you see? So basically, what I show the item is that me grew up as a roadsman throughout Jamaica, but with the flexing of America for 31 years, I can diversify my capability and my vernacular in many ways. So I don't want to sample me or think say me a one type of person. Them can't figure me out because I have so much experience in a life. And I had many girls, but never had a wife. Hold on tight to the lyrics when I go now. And the education. Taking it to a whole new elevation. Run upon the ride. Check it now. 2 hours with the talking and vibration and driving and telling you a story. To God be the glory. So now check this. So move now to St. Catherine, man. Big up man called Bobby, 31 years. The man there watch me. I build bicycle. Tick, 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 a one wheelie. To Linstead, all age school. You see me? Pass the cow them when them drip them in them neck and make them fall right in front of we as boy picking it. So them teach you how to kill from we little. And thief, I'm going to Rotted River with the girls them. I take your little tealy and I put between your legs and the girls them I watch you. And this so now the woman thing start, Sophia. That girl has stole my heart. Clivette, me tell us every time I get money I Linstead, me spend and buy like a chain for her and love things. You see when you love the Jamaican girl, them and you grew up as a little boy. Clivette, me still love your boy. Me I tell you so me do my first kiss to her at the Linstead all age. Me don't know. Me say, Sophia, me say the kiss of the Jamaican girl when you're little and then you dip on the railing in a Linstead all age and you look all the way down and she look on you and you look on her and you look on her and she look on you, and when mama send the money from foreign, I pay a little chain you buy for your heart and I buy things for your girlfriend. Child, you think the boy gonna touch my woman? Right, Linstead all age now in St. Catherine was a big part of my life. That's when I get my first little wife. Tenasa lick it. Ring the alarm. Tenasa, then we have the big now sneakers. Now we are talking about suede shoes, Nike. Mama send sneakers for we. Uppers, them used to call it. Blouse and skirt. We are talking about uppers, you know, brother. And market, me or Shabba ranks upstairs. I made it little. A Lieutenant City was my favorite. Young girl, we hear your size. And if you don't, I'm Papa Son and Lieutenant Stitch here when I catch on to the reggae music now. I tell you, say, Shabba rank up in the Linston market up in the top there. Me know Shabba, we passed through Shabba ranks when me did liquor. You see me? So basically, I Linston all age now, we did know one. I racing at the little gutter and thing, and me I show you. Yeah man, I have a little girlfriend, and when them used to have party at the school and the uppers and it's nice and foreign money come in. And me and my brother used to do at Charlie Mount and go off field there like a ping ball place and gamble. You see the two youth them a gamble. You see me? How were they? Look like Balaclava, I don't even know. So anyway, 1 hour and 10 minutes left. So they are Linston man and the thing nice, you know. Music I run away, I get to know music now, and mama send money and we just go gamble. I play ping ball. The ping ball was Kiss, you know. The Rockstar ping ball, and two little youth then at the bar. And I gamble with the jackpot, and one time I hit the bingo. About how much me win? About $50 at the time. You see the 10 cents them I run out. I used to wheel upon the bicycle, man, in a Charlestown. My father was a police by Yorktown. So basically, Linstead was a big part of my life. As again, this was Sophia, Clevette, I said nothing. And then another girl me did like up at Charles Mount Housings came. What's your name? Lisa. So there was an Indian girl my father in love with in a Charles Mount Housing scheme. She was an Indian girl named Lisa. My father was a police officer. There's another girl I fell in love with from my teacher, Miss Green. But she passed on. Give thanks for life, you know. Nothing is promised to no one. You understand? So no, take care of yourself and live life. So this is my story. It's my story. Remember the days. So that was Charles Linstead. You know, another river did there, but the river used to come down in Linstead, and we used to swim in at the Brown River after school and eating off apple. Man called Bim. One of my best friends in Linstead, George, what you say? But George did one day play him games with me, and I think he make a tambourine, the end of a tambourine bust off in my eye. I said, I take up the pencil and I nearly hurt that guy. So Miss Heyman, a teacher, I did have she beat with the strap. Miss Green is the best teacher I ever had in my life. And there was another teacher in a Linstead where write something on the chalkboard. She say, think before you ink. Blouse and skirt. I remember some time that me never too smart, you know. But Miss Green, she make me know some have a brain, and then I finally passed with dental technical entrance. That's it. Pass for dental technical entrance. And then once I pass that. So we got my father now. Now my father, we learned more about the father when we live at St. Catherine. My father was a calm man who smoked him cigarette. And I said, Dad, why you smoke? He said, when you grow up you will find out. My father was a real woman, man, you know, real. Father had a lot of charms, you know what I'm saying? You want to love him. You see me? One time you think your father have the gun, and I take out the gun and stick up my brother. My father police. I take out the gun and stick up my brother to blouse and skirt and say, I catch you now. What I gonna say? And when him have him pump rifle, he used to take that up when him go in the bathroom. Father's police, don't leave your gun at home. The boy them will take it up. So me know about gun because my father was a police, so we used to take up the gun and say, and stick up my brother in the room and say, what I gonna say now, eh? You have something to say. I remember saying he used to rough me up and beat me up, you know. Happy Grove infant school. So Jamaica nice and stuff. So my brother used to beat me up, you know, and rough me up. Him used to beat me up and rough me up, you know, so St. Catherine, me stick him up with the gun and say, eh? What you gonna say now, eh? What you have to say? What you have to say? You know, you can't see me on the gun now. So, you know, so I'm a little little, I stick up one with gun, you know. Yeah, man, Rondie was a little bad boy. Hey, boy, just stick you up with the gun. No, man, never stick me up with gun, you know. I stick up my brother with gun with my liquor. So, the boy, I go like my bad man. Me a bad man from me at 7. Some of the bad man from them at 13. Me a bad man from me at 7. Me a stab pig and a kill goat from me at 7. I joke me, make. So, anyway. So you know now, so I stick him up on things, so that was now easy with the driver and they watch yourself. Don't get too into the story. So now that is St. Catherine, we used to plant some lettuces, man. Lettuce used to nice. One time hungry the liquid, you know, never have no flour, no rice. But the lettuce we used to plant, we have a banana. And let me tell you something, just some coconut oil. And that's when we invent banana chips. You see me? And that chip couldn't spoil, so I burned a chip in a St. Catherine. And me and my brother used to farm up the back of the yard, you know. And there was a big cane walk. We used to have cane all the time. And the man who used to work at Alcan, the backside company, Mr. Page and Piggy, the brethren, Errol, big up on yourself, all the people that we grew up with. This is life after man called Rondie. No, that is St. Catherine. You see me? And we plant the lettuce and I plant the cabbage and pop chow and thing. So we farming never come out away. Big up to my brother. You're legendary. You protect me all my life. You see what I say? So now the bicycle thing come now. Mama send a bicycle down from foreign. That's what I learned to ride now. And a one wheel, there was a one wheel king in a Linstead. I used one hand and really all the way to Linstead. And then my master the thing I used to do my one wheel and pull on the bicycle. Big up the Hutchison youth, them man called Bobby. You see me? Gary, you know, say nothing. And then now, that's just how we used to know through Linstead. See the dirty boy there. Through Linstead now, where I got through. And hey, sexy girl, watch yourself. Through Linstead where I got through now, I one wheeler through the market. Linstead market was my stamping ground. You see me, so I have enough grounds to discover and rediscover, enough places to go with, you know. So just the journey I continue and I hear the life story of the man. Yeah, so basically now, that's Linstead in Charlemont, what else I remember? My brethren, my friend named George, my best friend. You see me, later on in life, George started to respect me, stop play with me, because he's a quiet youth, you know, silent river kind of youth, you not talk much, but if you play games with me, you get some fisting underneath your belly, and if me have a knife near me, you might get your throat cut. That was me, because I grew up as a farming family, so you see, blood was nothing to me, because how much busted me get, blood was nothing to me, so if a boy test me, it was easy, throat I forget cut. But me not stay like that really. Me grow out tight, but when you kill pig and thing and go to get them and chicken, much chicken head you cut off. Then you know farming people, stabbing is no problem to it, because that's how we grow with farming and thing. So anyway, a place that look nice, look like I stop at somebody's house and have some breakfast. Good morning, it's Rondie, enough things in my car. But today, you're going to be a star. You saw me at the road, what me do now? 1 hour and 3 minutes to go on the road. So now, hear me say now. Back at it now, St. Catherine was nice and lovely. St. Catherine we said, big up to Linstead all age. Bagwalk. Yuatan. You see me, big up to my father and my friend them, Errol. Man called Tony Sams, man I ride a big bike and the man they teach me how to do things and ride bicycle. Big up to all the man in Jamaica we teach the youth them to be good. Now I've turned to be a man where help the local youth them and mentor them and keep them on the right track. And I give the Almighty thanks for that. So me can turn out like the way me turn out, and it's never about the money, never about the fame. It's about the goodness You know me I say, and the Almighty protect me so much where I now have to go through certain things because I flex a certain way. So people must have feel my energy, say, I don't really fear nothing, I just go through and I just live. So with that positivity, I guess what, that's why I've been safe all my life. I'm not getting at certain things because, you know, when you grew up so rough, and so now that was Charlestown, and that was Charlemont housing scheme. One wheelie, I used to fix the bicycle for all the youth, them used to rate me. So everywhere I go, I get ratings. I was a leader, I always was and will be a leader. Sometimes people don't like me, we don't give a damn. Shaka Zulu, we deal with. We don't compromise too easy because life was not easy for we. So we don't compromise when we see people cry about certain situations, whatever I go through. For we life, rough. No father and mother never there around no more time. I just God. We have around me. Phone drop. So now hear me I say now. Indicator. Boom. So basically that was life and story of Rondie Pottinger. That was St. Catherine, and then now let me see, St. Anne for a brief moment, never really Hanover, never really do Westmoreland, never live around them areas there. So that was kind of like a crib by 11 White House, Mandeville 55. So what we there now? I must make bigger sign about them places. I don't know everywhere. We get used to it. First time I drive, I survive myself. So anyway, you see, it's best you drive when I drive, you know, through Jamaica. It is best that run it blouse and skirt. It's best that you drive from 5 o'clock. You see me? It's best that you drive from 5 o'clock and make sure you get the gas the night before and your oil or whatever, because when you drive and you have less traffic, you get where you want to go early and nobody will see you come in. You see me? Move early in Jamaica, you'll stay safe. You know what I say? Avoid the traffic, open trench. Alright, so now that was it. I talked about Linstead Age until technical I passed me that technical entrance. I couldn't pass the common entrance, the blouse and skirt. But I never have no good brain, hardly could I read at the age of 14, even when I reach a Brooklyn. So me is a technical youth, me work with my hands, me used to invent my own ties, them and everything. And name it, me invent it and use it. So mother was a disciplinarian, father was a calm one. One time him slapped me on my leg when me never come for my dinner. 3 times him call me, "Hi! Boy, you know, you me say me call you." So my father was the kind of man, for him personality me have, was just easy and calm and quiet and not really do anything, you know what I say? So I give thanks to my father. Him teach me one thing in my life. Him say, "Boy, anything you do it the best of your ability." So because even when my father was not around me much, I have to give him thanks for that one thing, because of him, you know, I him tell me that one thing, the more time I just one thing your father need to tell you. And when him tell me, say, "Boy, whatever you do in life, do it to the best of your ability." And that's all the man that have to teach me. And you see, when him teach me that, man, I run with it. And then, you know, foreign come now, we ship out, never get a chance to go into. You see me? Putting pan on the back, stopping nice, slapping up. I said, "I went it." Sardine. You know, when you're up on the road, the best thing for have is sardine and bread. Oh man, I get that pudding pan here, film at the same time. I'm going to look at the steering wheel. Well, I record for a while. Good, I hope the chip can take it. This is my life story. One of them track today. So big up man called Mr. Eccleston. So we're gonna keep it moving on this journey, around the story. This is my story, Randy story. Sorry land, peas and porridge and enough things. It's my story. So now, sure now. So now that is now didn't tell. Alright, see it here. I've got you the bamboo. So now I'm going to show you now is like the camera I have to drive, you know. Nice. I'm going to show you this now. So now come to Brooklyn now. Brooklyn, you know. Brooklyn. Come to Brooklyn now. Mama sent for way. Daddy did have way in St. Catherine. And Daddy take care of it. Still spend some time with father. But big up to my auntie and my uncle. So my story. So then Brooklyn now, plain land, red shirt and a passport. Boy nothing not smiling, no? No smiling, no? Boy not smile at all. You see me? No smiling, no? No smile at all. Reach a Carroll Street, Brooklyn, Crown Heights. I spend enough years there. I walk upstairs. I ask, I said, my brother remind me, and he remember me, tell me, say, brother, when you come in our foreign, you know, you said to your mother, yo, I asked you come bring me at this you bring me to. I was mad. When we go foreign, you know, we mad, you know. I asked you bring me. After me love Jamaica so much and grew up and in a harmony with nature and thing, you come bring me here, sir. Come to that, sure. So, me did mad when we reach a foreign. And we live in the flat, what you call an apartment. You know, 100 something Carroll Street, I remember. We live in the apartment, 3rd floor, no elevator. If we bring the cat up on each step from supermarket, we used to go supermarket and we used to wash the clothes for the whole family and the laundromat, whether cool or not, go Wingate High School. You know what I'm saying? And I have to walk from different side of the road. The Yankee youth, them first time I ever get robbed in my life when I grew up. I in Brooklyn. I go buy my fruits. Me a long young youth, about 14, and about 7 youths hold my neck and thump me in my face and take my fruits away. From this, I understand say America no playpen. You see me? That was Brooklyn. And at this now we have to watch our walk and watch our move. So growing up in Brooklyn now, going to high school, when you get to high school, man I get robbed, man I get stabbed, man I get fight out the road. So now Brooklyn now in a Brownsville, Uncle Tyrone grew up around there, so the man them used to do them ting, the big drug lords them. And this so now we roll with the uncle now. And this so we learn about the weapons them. And this so now we grew up quick. Cause one day my uncle give me a piece of cake for eat and him say, yo, eat that. I'm ready for eat. Him say, what you do? A crack, boy. I say, what you mean crack? Uncle, what you mean crack? I remember some my voice did squeaky, you know, cause I did mature very late. So when I used to pick up the phone and used to think it was a girl, me at 16, you know. Hello? And them things say a girl. Hello, how can I help you? As somebody said, you know, in a Brownsville, Brooklyn, you know. You see me? So me know when me see man I take dog, watch yourself, you idiot, black dog you want dead today. Me know when man have pump rifle a beat man when them a come off a bus and drag train from woman, you know. Brownsville, New York and a play thing on them projects there, you know. I mean a youth a spar and them a box and I'm hold up my foot and kick off the face. So with Uncle Tyrone, him bring we go teach her how to paint. 2 youth in the back of the van and a pair comes around one more time and some man with some big rope chain man called Barnes and Jack. know, them Benz and things. So we know how the thing go from we little at 16, we see the thing them when them a bring man on at the back of the shop and a beat man a man head with broomstick come and steal certain things where them not for steal. So we see the gangsters thing from we little. But we never choose to become the gangster cause we mother very good. But if me did go that route there, we probably would have end up in the Hollywood to blows and skirt, just you know. Sure. So brother, so we see the thing around at Brownsville and I know about the 19s and hear about the man and my uncle used to tell about when them come a foreign for the first time, them never used to respect Jamaicans, so them have to know them place and them start stab up the Yankee them and him tell us stories about man used to take out man toenail when them take them drugs and different things and the stories them when him tell will make us stay away from certain things. So my uncle used to tell us some story, man. So I really uncle guide we and him show with the way and we go paying for a man and the man never go with money. So my uncle go around there and say, yo, with the money there, you know, deal with the thing, you know. And him go around there and deal with the thing and we get the money immediately. So big up Tyrone, you're the boss. A Jamaican man, every Jamaican man have to go through certain things and them see certain things and then become tough and just realize how life is. Cause Jamaican men in the gangster thing is not a pretty thing. It's not pretty. That's why we stay outside because Jamaica gangster business is not a pretty business. Hey cow, watch yourself you know. So Jamaica gangster business is not a pretty thing. You see how them have the cow walk on the road. You see me? So that was right there. That was Brownsville experience. You know, I grew up through that and go to high school and start focusing on high school and get good grades and thing. Out of 320 or 360 people, I became 20. I came 20 in my class. I found out that I was a mathematical genius. No test me never pass. Me never used to do homework. We got a man called Paul, Arville and Courtney, just on right now. I was so brilliant in a maths class. The teacher never used to check. I'm the only student in a maths class who not check homework. I'm so Rondie, I done not have to check homework for that. So every time I used to get alligator pan right up Treasure Beach. Wow. I come back to them places but I bring a friend with me. So you hear me I say. So basically the teacher used to skip me in a maths class. And that's when I meet my beautiful fiancée Sharon. She's in a maths class too. So when she say me cross the room, she had a birthmark on her face. My Virgin Paul did like her, but him couldn't take my place. I'm a country boy, chopper life with my shit. But me brilliant. So when she said that they are genius, every time I get 100 in a maths and Courtney and Harville couldn't catch me. Rondie again, I don't need to be like Rondie. I said the maths teacher used to say, you know. I get a little carried away with my ego and never study no more. So in a calculus, I never do so well. But Regents exam, I bust it up because I have a brain of precision. And the bird them teach me. But I have to use different skill in my mind because I develop late. So I did have to use my instincts from the animal in St. Mary to develop my education. So I just my instinct me survive within a life. The animal instinct what the animal them teach me. When you grow up with so much dog, you can't say nothing to me. You see me? Animals teach me a different dimension of my mind. You know? Like dancing with the wolves. So the dog them in St. Mary teach me how to use my brain. Instincts, how to read people. Them looking at your eyes and teach me. I light fire with dog in St. Mary underneath chicken coop. And I reason with the dog them. You see when you sit down with dogs and you reason with 6 dogs and then you just sit up. Let me talk. You don't talk about Rasta. Higher heights than Rasta. When you sit down with animals and reason with them, it's a whole different level. Me grew up with them animals there. Some man will know me I say. Me used to reason with animals. And them my dog them. Me not talk about one dog. And them used to rate me because me was the leader of the pack. jump on a river. You see me? Buckle cut man underfoot and still around. You see me? So them life there where we grew up. So when we are reason with dogs now, you learn a different dimension of your mind, how to read people and how to. So animals have a greater instinct and sense of reading people and picking up things. So when you hang around them, you learn certain things as a human being, how to deal with people. So when I was advanced in maths and advanced in certain things because animals teach me, certain people couldn't reach me. So I did kind of calm and easy and already develop a sense of spirituality because I around the animals, them and nature. And then grew up in the church at St. Mary and know the Bible. Go church service every day. I know the Sunday school story. So that was nothing to me. But when we live with nature and animals, I realized there was other dimensions to life. Another consciousness. I end up in a maths class, I realized, say, yo, you have a brain for you, my yo. What you gonna do with it? And we're gonna jump to University of Rochester later. So what me I showing to say is that the genius in a maths class and the girls them dance. Beautiful girl, Sharon, big up yourself. And I don't know if Paul did mess with my girl still. I hope him never did. Hey Paul, say nothing. So anyway, you know, dealing with the animals them that St. Mary and developing a mind of an instinct. I learn how to use instinct to apply to education. I learn how to use a different part of my mind. You see me? A subconscious that wake up. So in a maths class that was easy. Then I'll pick up the computer later. Never have no money, you know. So I have to save money to buy the first computer. So I buy the computer now. Get to University of Rochester. You see me? Never have no money, so we go up on an early connection program now this summer. And that's now I start developing now the corporate side of me. And I'm a flat top on my disc. Ras me create a fraternity. So I'm the founder of Ras fraternity. Me, twisted here in a University of Rochester. Bad country boy. Never really struck my badness, but my shit always sharp on the file. If a boy test me, I'm going to change him hairstyle. So basically, I'm sure to say University of Rochester now. Get my computer. But I leave the computer for my brother or somebody and go to university without a computer. Tape drive me get sleep on my Chinese friend floor. And my white friend said to me if I teach him computer, him get me a job. Age 21, boom, I work in a corporate desktop publishing. I've left college now. I've build mama a house. I don't like see mama sleep the way she sleep in Brooklyn. Room did tight, a 7 away in Brooklyn in a 3-bedroom. You see me? So it said. You see? So we're going yesterday. So one way. Oh, them up. I want the police know about the place, you know. Alright, so basically a detour. So basically when I get back on track, Institution Drive. So college, get a job now in a corporate 21. At age 21 I start work, you know. Just start publishing Viva Temps. Polyester suit from my brother. Never have much clothes in high school neither. Poverty did the way. Wear tight pants, man used to laugh after we call we banana boat. So after 15, wear the same jacket for 3 years to ride it. So we humble, take me about 3 months for what buy a Casio watch. Man called Courtney work at Lockheed Martin later, man called Paul MIT. Some of my friends them, brilliant, work at some of the greatest place in the world. But what would Rondie turn out to be? Jamaica Good Life, lift up a whole country and bring 2,000 books to Africa and liberate with Pan-Africanism, 600 videos, 70,000 subscribers on YouTube right now. Marcus Garvey. You see me? So I want to do something big for my country and I did it. Inspire man called Kino and others. You see me? And Trenchtown, I live up now from 2005. Went to Trenchtown, start the Mission Foundation. Spotlight on Trenchtown, name of the documentary. Search for it on YouTube. You see me? So we wanted to help to solve poverty in Jamaica. So I know that from University of Rochester, media would be a solution like YouTube. Man, I gonna make money online. Everything I predicted, everything I visioned, man would see it come to fruition. So my vision always come true. That's what I say. So certain things I just know. So this journey to tell this story is divine. You know, hopefully I get my rest and we can go back to my daughter. And this project will continue. So big up man called Pino. I choose him because him have a pure heart. So hopefully him continue to do his part. Trenchtown, one of the humanitarian work I wanted to start, and I started in SaveJamaica.com 2005. You see me? So that's from university. I'm a work in desktop publishing constantly. And then Merrill Lynch work there, so. And then later on I have my own company in the 90 Park Avenue. Merrill Lynch has a client doing design for websites and developing software, interactive tutorials and things, macromedia director and all them things there. So we use Merrill Lynch as a stamping ground, Credit Suisse First Boston, desktop publishing. Man like me at age 22 get $100,000 checks in my hand. So me was at age 25, I done live life already, big life, Waldorf Historia, $1,000 a night. I may build my own company. I remember nobody couldn't stop me. Brilliant. Did it my way. You see me I say? Help a lot of people along the way. I've had many students. All my life I always have students along the way. Always have students along the way. I got about 20 youths in the inner city jobs. I train them for me, and buy videotapes and train them. So my legacy, not just Jamaica Good Life or Pan-Africanism. My legacy is uplifting the youths them anywhere me there. In Brooklyn, I get the first Rasta job at Merrill Lynch. Dougal, big up yourself. So the youth them used to come at my house for training. I used to teach them all different races, come at my house. I teach them and them get job. I have family at house now and assets because of me. So when you see me I flex in this country, I flex easy. Don't take me lightly. You have people who call me the Godfather. Because I take care of them and them family. Provide job and education. Man called Ryan Sterling. Them man they used to make $80 an hour at age 20. Because a man called Rondie. When Sterling make $6 an hour. So they come make $36 an hour with me. I'm going to teach them youth from my high school bridging them. So it's like we did not do things in our life way before man called Leslie. We work in a corporate now and we start corporatizing myself and discipline 36 hours straight. I work 102 hours straight. So the idea of hard work is something where in me and discipline from corporate training me to humble myself and know if I take orders. You see me? So basically, me know send me the destined to do things for my country. And nobody, no woman, no marriage, nothing could stop me. If me did stop doing what I do, who knows? Some of the programs you see on YouTube, you probably would still see it. But this is the way the Almighty destined it. That's why I tell them that try to kill me, but the Almighty protect me. Because as you see, people are getting help now in a different program. Initiated by Spotlight on Trenchtown in 2005, SaveJamaica.com, you get the soccer scholarship. So divinity would have it that, and the Almighty would have it that. It would prepare me to be strong. Like all the greats in Jamaica, the Almighty had a plan. But it's a digital age we did realize from a training in University of Rochester up in the attic for me to prepare myself. Because I know say all this digital thing would one time apply to my country. So I want to figure out how to solve poverty. And that was my goal in life. But no, when I see some people that make money on YouTube, no. That is what I predicted. That's why I did Jamaica Good Life. To teach people how to make money on YouTube, to upload my culture. And that's another different story. The spiritual aspect of the herbal information how I walk off the job of Monk of America to go on this journey. You see me? So it's like my life is an adventure. I take life and I choke it. Sometimes I up, sometimes I don't. Financial never stop me. I talk about say sometimes I have money, sometimes I have none. But I still have fun because when life gets rough and you end up in a certain pain and you overcome it from IRS taxes and things from Babylon. One thing I know about life, once you get up and you just keep moving, I understand there is something called procrastination, like a pea behind my head. And if me did make the pea catch me problem and pressure and procrastination, I always say pea behind my head. And I never stop move because I don't want to procrastinate, I want the problem to catch me. So I always a move. I'm gonna find out in life why you always do something progressive no matter what. You'll never get stressed out. And as some may alleviate stress, I just keep moving. So when people see me as an artist, I'm not talking about even the photographer, I do 15,000 images and so much documentary and films. You see me? Because I'm a graphical, visual person. You see? So I learn from videos and I know that Jamaica culture was not being captured the way it should be. And studying media in television in New York City, I found out that something was happening to the people. They were being reprogrammed by the program that they see. So I realized the true weapon in life was media, propaganda. So I said, oh, the gun is not dangerous, and the TV are dangerous. Come here and watch all this TV and I say no Jamaican on it. So 2005 I say, you know, I'm going to save my country culture. If you save the video, you save the people. People that remember who them is. And that's how you save them and teach them how to live the next generation. And that's how Save Jamaica.com started with the Film Academy in Mandeville. And we started. We got man called a youth named Natel Music, Google him. That's one of my pupils. Rascarella, founding father. Dragon was around 15, 20 years ago. So SaveJamaica.com was created because of we noticed that media was the foundation. If I say Jamaica, so I create a slogan when I went to St. Mary. It says if we don't see ourselves, we don't love ourselves. So now we are see ourselves in a different capacity. We love our country even more. We love our family. So I show you say this Jamaica Good Life thing branching from SaveJamaica.com Film Academy. Big up Nathan and big up the man them where had the camera with me, the whole Canon camera. And big up to Kathy, my girlfriend at the time, mother of my child. I would ask for no other mother but you. You see me with my daughter Anna, you see me my dream come true. I love you. And more time I don't hear me talk about my personal life. I keep it sacred to me. But my daughter Anna, she give me second life. Because if I never for she would have ended up in a Jamaica, and I probably would have turned into a bad man. You see me? So my daughter saved me. Yeah? And now I come back on the journey, I capture the journey. I love it because now I'm 47 years old, been through so much and I helped so many people along the way. And this is how I like to be remembered, by telling my own story, my own biography. So if your name was called in the story, you'll say you're special. You know, big up yourself. Truly, you have a pure heart. You see me? And you're going to continue the mission of Trenchtown when we start. Yeah? Before Miss Donna, before all of them, Henry Eccleston, Trenchtown, 2005. I wanted to spotlight that place. You know what I said, because we see the suffering. And we know about suffering. Man called Ivy, them don't know about sufferation, hot feet, yeah? People that will meet along the way, big up on themselves. You I know about sufferation. So me know about sufferation because I grew up in Jamaica. We know we're hungry. So them, so them people they can't stop. You see me? So this is the story of a man called Rondie. You guys had an opportunity to listen to me for so long. From all over Jamaica to University of Rochester, to enough nice, lovely ladies. Give a shout out to some of the ladies in my life. I feel that because I feel I go through. I want a special woman in my life, Sharon. You should have been my wife, but I had to go on the mission to preserve my country history. Beautiful. Tracy, you know something? You buy my first tie. Where's my call? Susan, it's already you're the most brilliant warrior. St. Elizabeth. Valletta, greatest artist, most beautiful, classic. But the next one, but I go call too much. Berlin, it's a 30, father, it is 30. I say, I never married, but let me tell you something. If I had to do it all over again, I wouldn't change a thing. Woman, I like enough. I like say I live my life and enough woman at different period of time. Natasha and another Natasha again. I feel a long-term relationship with the still, But the Almighty blessed me as a king. I never disrespect no one. I did have them at different times. My father did have a bag of woman too. I never did want to be like my father. You see me? But I did space them out. And that's why I'm not married. Because I did space them out. You see me? Valletta, enough of them money are still in my life, man. Because I treat them right, You see me? So I have some special empress in my life, but I one have a baby from Trinidad, Shango, warrior, Kathy, love you, and you have my daughter. So, enough time I couldn't get married because I did up on the mission. You know the reason that the boy them must see me and try to style me, I say look on them. Zenzi, most beautiful ever, teach me how to balance, African American. And Misha, blouse and skirt artist. I tell you something, some long-term relationship with the have still, So basically, I'm one of my best friends, two of my best friends, Misha and Angel. Big up to Lisa, special woman who come in my life, to keep me strong, to empower me. You see me? But as a Marcus Garvey disciple, if you make a mistake with me, I drop you like a fly. The mission is more important than even my life. So I'm gonna play around with people's emotions. I never did, never will. I have some great women where they're around me and surround me and support me. But if they make an error, Shaka Zulu sword come out, I have to go. Because my work is for my people. And the woman who don't overs my work can't overs who me is. And that's why I never settle down. Because now I see the fruits of the labor. Now I see Jamaica in culture. Enough people watch Jamaica Good Life and what me do. And continue it. And that was my objective. Me don't want to be the one with all the views and all the fame and all the accolades and all the attention. Me say it is we, it is not me. So whether you support me or not, it no matter. You're supporting the country. And once we have a common agenda, we say agenda unity, we're good. Because this is one community ultimately. And we have to deliver ourselves from this mental slavery by uploading the culture. And now Jamaica, I do YouTube and we're happy now. Even when the children in Babylon, the archive will be left for the whole generation. I want to just witness the whole story of a man called Rondie. 26 minutes to go on the journey. Do road boy. So I go pull over and get some jelly. One of the things about Jamaica, what I love, is that you can always beep beep and interact with people. You know me, I say. We were on a journey to the top for 2 hours straight through the drive. The Almighty is the gate. Jaleb. You see, so that is my kind of story, and much more to go. Yeah, man, me humble in a way. More time I don't see my face. You know, Angelina, big up yourself. Why some people name no call? Because they disrespect the writing on the wall. Because the man will be chosen to start a thing, to plant a seed, to light a fire. And this fire would continue to burn. And the country will be preserved in its glory. So Jamaica, thank you for choosing me to carry the torch of cultural preservation from the ancestor, from Angelina, from Papa D, to Miss Nora, to all the elders, to my grandmother. Thank you for choosing me, for capturing their journey and their life, to Dragon, and telling their stories, because nobody ever care about we. Country people tear up Hans Batty. Nobody never care about we. I make hasham underneath the tree in our matter. Nobody never care about we in a Manchester, Mandeville. A Manchester, where they know enough people. You see me? From Montego Bay, and I say I'm gonna drive it quickly. But nobody ever care about we. So me put Manchester now up on the map. I mean, me, Rondie, will never stop. So the people them come and them talk about me and try to style me. I pity them don't know how much the girls them love me. So the people them will diss me, I go miss me. And the girls them will love me, I go kiss me. You see me? So love to all the women them been in my life and them strengthen me. Love to each and everybody. See the soup there? Soup look like it already. So if you leave it, you know, move up now. Back in the hills and the mountains of Manchester. So you guys, I'm not totally tore out Montego Bay yet, you know. But don't you worry, don't you fret, you know. At least we never paid a toll. Never cost us nothing but some gas. And continue to support the movement. This is a long one. I'm not stop talking till me near my house, then I cut it off. Man, what a man can talk. I hope you understand me, you know. Everything I do it from my heart. See, you know, well. So this country also, I found a country. What I try to do is to capture it for showing the beauty. And I will never stop. This is my duty to my people. Marcus Garvey always say every minute, every second. One of the next mission I want to go upon, I want to actually raise some money to start buy some books. Some Marcus Garvey books. As a matter of fact, I want some man to just buy the books, them and ship me the barrel. You see me? So buy some Marcus Garvey book and put it on barrel and ship it to me in Jamaica. If you're in New York City, I give the name of the shipping people. I want to start buy a whole of Marcus Garvey books and want to start give them out to view them. That is the next thing I'm going to do in my life. But now that I come back to Manchester, now I feel good. Look on the mountain, man, look on the vibe. I'm going to drive. Give thanks to the vaccine and give thanks to everybody for support this movement. I'm not going to call no more name no more. Because even some of the supporters, them make errors, major errors. And because I'm a Garveyite, and because I'm a Shaka Zulu wannabe, if you don't make errors around me clip your wings immediately. I'm at war with Babylon, and if you don't make a mistake around me, you can destroy me. So I'll call no more names no more, because someone will make some mistake. I act like this movement is not a military thing. I treat this thing militantly. That's why I put my money on my life and I sacrifice it. Because anything you do in your life, you have to do it militantly. You can't do it. This progressive change we I try to make for Jamaica, you know, easy. So ladies, when I come around, we know that the man is a military man. My mother teach me to be militant. I'm a beard assistant in a St. Mary. You see me? Military. So, this is the man called Rondie. 20 minutes to go to complete the journey back home. Denise, pick up yourself. You know, pick up my brother, Kathy, Hugo, my daughter, Lisa. Great cuisine, you're the greatest. You never make too much errors. You see me? Aliyah, continue the journey, stay firm. Everything I taught you, you're going to be better. Alright, calm, wear your headset. Continue your journey. John Crowd, send out on CC. Thank you for your strength. You see me? And everybody. Misha, you know it's it already. Angela, Burke, greatest alive. Angel, you're always my angel no matter what. Who else? Mother, father, brother, auntie, uncle. See how Diane and everybody. Jay, Zealy. All I know. I love everyone. Paul, Courtney. Garvey, whole high school massive, college massive. Alright, so right now Rondie, boom, in the Gideon. You see me? From SaveJamaica.com to Jamaica Good Life. I'm gonna try to settle down now and find me a wife. Living in a good life. All I really want now is a good life. In Jamaica in a good life. And I really want now is a good wife. Yeah man, I think my work has come to a pinnacle. I just keep doing it now and enjoy it and watch the young generation pushing on. Push on. Trusty, that's enough. Nadisha, love her. Alright, see that. I've got to bust that turn, yeah. Later, people.